Welcome to the ACFW online conference. I hope you're having a great time with all of the wonderful workshops we have going here. This one is going to be on how to create your own picture quotes using free software that you can find online. It's super simple. You've seen them online. You know how powerful they can be, and they can turn into something that goes viral very easily. Now, what I'm talking about here are picture quotes. I'm not talking about making ads or, hey, buy my book type of stuff. That has a place, but social media is all about content. You create great content. You create stuff that makes people think, that makes people laugh, that makes people consider things in a different way. They'll keep coming back to your page. If not, they're going to unlike your page. They're going to move on. They may even complain about it to Facebook or Instagram or Snapchat or whoever is your social media outlet. If you create great content over and over again, then they will excuse a few ads that pop along the way. So, we're going to talk about creating content, and we're going to talk about the picture quote. So let's get started here. We're going to be using a program called Pixlr. This is at pixlr.com, and it's online. It's perfectly free to use, and we're going to start by scrolling down, and we're going to be using Pixlr Express. Now, Pixlr Editor is really great too. It's kind of like a scaled down version of Photoshop. You can do all sorts of photo manipulation stuff there. Wonderful program, but we're going to go for the simple route here and go with Pixlr Express. So we're just going to click on Launch Web App, and it takes a second or two for it to load. And it does require flash, so be sure you have your flash turned on in your computer. And we get an option for opening opening your photograph from various locations. You can browse, you can open it from a URL, you can use a webcam, or you can create a collage. Well, we're wanting to just browse from our computer today, so I'm just going to click on that. And mine is over in downloads, and there's my picture. I have this quote that I want to create a picture quote for that says, if you have a candle and refuse to light it, you can't complain about the dark. So we're going to do that. We're going to put it right on this. This is a piece of stock art. I got this one from Adobe Stock. It's $29.95 a month for 10 downloads. After that, it's $2.99 per download. Best value that I've found, and incredible pictures. But you could grab a picture from a Creative Commons site. If you go to, excuse me, search.creativecommons.org, you'll find tons of pictures there that you can download absolutely free as well. But this one here I kind of like. I wanted to do it upright for this conference, so I just downloaded a picture. Now here we have the candle here, and I'm going to use this section here for my excuse me. I'm going to use this section here for my text. Now, you want to choose a picture that has a certain amount of negative space. If this candle took up the whole image, it would look really crummy writing over the candle. But I've got all this empty space here. Walls, meadows, sky, ocean, those sort of things all provide you with plenty of negative space. And so I'm going to go down here, and you see I've got all these tools. The only one I'm interested in is the type tool. I click on type, and now I got to choose a typeface. Now I've got all sorts of different types here, serif, sans serif. Let me look at retro and see if there's anything in there that I'm interested in using. And I'm looking down through here, I kind of like the Hamburger Haven one, so let's use that one. Now to add my text, I click into this little box over here. I simply type it in. Now it's going to come out in one long line, so when I see a place where I might want to break that line up, I just hit enter. So I start. If I have a candle, and then I'm going to hit my enter key here, and don't light it. I can't complain about the dark. Now, okay, you said, hold on, it's going right over the counter. What's wrong? Well, it just shows up at where it shows up. I can move this around just by putting my cursor over it and holding down the left mouse key, and I can fit it right in here. Now, that fits pretty good, but I think I want to reduce it just a little bit more. So I'm going to take this edge here. Now, it doesn't matter which one of these two handles, that's what they're called, you choose, it will expand or contract it proportionately. So you don't have to worry about getting really weird looks like you would if you were using other programs. This one up here is a handle for you if you want to turn the words on an edge or something. I don't want to do that, so I don't want to play with that right now. So I've got this here. I think I've got it positioned about the way I want. Very simple. Now I'm going to add, so I'm going to click apply. Now I'm going to add to this a tagline that tells them where they can get in touch with me. If I'm on Facebook, I just send them to my Facebook page. So I click Sans, that's for sans serif, and I happen to like to use Vera Sans for this one. That's just my preference, and I'm just going to write in here facebook.com/wordmasterbooks. And I just adjust that, and I place it down here at the bottom. Now I could place it here or in the middle of the whole screen. I think it looks better here, but you might think differently. And click apply. See? Took about, what, 2-3 minutes to do this. Now I just click save, and I give it a name. So I'm going to put candle not lit. And then I'm going to click save. And then I can save it wherever I want to save it. So I'm just going to save it right here. And that's all there is to it. Super simple to do, and you can post these on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. One point about Instagram likes square pictures. Facebook likes them more oblong. So if you really want to do this upright, you might make a square version and an oblong version to post to the different media. So that's all I have. I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference, and I'm looking forward to see all the memes that you are going to turn out over the next few weeks. Bye.